Mercedes Benz control modules require SCN coding, which is a combination of security and variant coding. SCN coding is performed when replacing most control modules. In the event SCN coding fails or you believe the incorrect SCN coding was applied, you have the ability to restore the original SCN coding using iSCAN's backup feature. In this video, we'll show you this procedure on a 2020 GLC 300 253 chassis and use the powertrain control unit as an example. Before beginning, connect a suitable vehicle power supply. Be sure you have a stable internet connection. Always use a wired connection between your NX and the VCI when programming. Be sure the windshield wipers are in the off position before beginning. After auto-identifying the vehicle, enter the coding menu. Tap Coding. Tap System Select. Tap Powertrain System. Tap Powertrain Control Unit PTCU. Tap SCN Coding. Under the drop-down menu, there's multiple SCN variants available. In this example, we're going to use the earliest backup data recorded earlier today. In our example, I'll select Option 9. SCN coding will begin. SCN coding is finished. Read and understand the message. Tap OK to finish. The procedure is complete. Tap Exit. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips and procedures for Mercedes-Benz vehicles.